Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. So basically we have a few options how to make it. The first one is to create a widget, so press and hold at empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top, add widget. Scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. So you can check right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. Now the second option, and the better one, is to use an application. Open it, and right here we have information about the left one and right one earbuds, and also a charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!